Hello everyone, welcome to Install Media. Are you a PC user and are you a Windows user? If you want to if you want to power up your user experience and productivity for you, Microsoft introduced new software Powertoys. Powertoys help you to power up your productivity and user experience with many features of Powertoys. So in this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Powertoys on Windows 11 PC. So at first I open my browser and then I search. Now I type Powertoys. So this is the official website of Powertoys. I click on it and from here we see installation button. But now I see what is the feature of Powertoys. Powertoys utilities for Windows 10 and 11. It has advanced quest system, always on top, Powertoys AI, color picker, command not found, command plate, club and log, and many more services. So in this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Powertoys on Windows 11 PC. So I click on install Powertoys button. From here, we will see system requirement. So I installed on Windows 11 PC. So from GitHub, from here, we can install it from GitHub. So there are another install button, install Powertoys. I click on it, and from here is a lot of setup file. From here, we chose for my system Powertoys setup 0.94.2 x64.exe. So I click on it. It asks me to download on Windows. So I click on start download button. It take few seconds, but I fast forward this step. So download is completed. I close this and also minimize browser. And this is the setup file of Powertoys. I diffuse on desktop and double click on Powertoys setup.exe file. From here, I click on license agreement, tick mark, and click on install. It asks me permission to install on Windows 11 PC. I click on yes. It will take few minutes, so I fast forward this option. So installation is completed. I close this. So that was my video. In this video, I will show you how to install Powertoys on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.